So I want to take a minute and explain electromagnetic radiation. This right here is the electromagnetic spectrum. In other words, this is either how long the wavelength can be of a ray of radiation or how short it can be. And the shorter the wavelength, the higher the energy. So since we have a very long wavelength here, which is just from the top of each one or from the bottom of each one, since there's a longer distance, those are lower in energy. And the ones over here, since there's a shorter distance in between, they're higher in energy. So we go from low energy, from radio waves to microwave to infrared, to the visible spectrum, what we can see, to ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and then gamma rays. And now the visible light spectrum here, visible light is still a form of radiation. It's just the only form of radiation that we can detect or that we can see visibly. So if we could see all of these, we would see the microwaves and the radio waves and all that stuff. But our eyes can only pick up this tiny little sliver of radiation here that we call visible light. So all along the spectrum here are different energy levels, or different wavelengths of electromagnetic radiation, but we can only detect with our eyes these. Now, we can feel infrared radiation. We can feel that. So we can feel that kind of radiation, but we can't detect it with our eyes. We can't see heat, for example. We can only feel it like on our skin. So this is the electromagnetic spectrum. And right here you have the different colors of the rainbow: Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Roy G. Biv, and that's what we can see. That's the part of the spectrum that we're able to see. If you have any questions, send me an email. Take care.